Your Excellency, Mr. Filipe Jacinto Nyusi, President of the Republic of Mozambique. Your Excellency, Madam Chakwera, First Lady of the Republic of Malawi. Honorable Madam Cabinet and all the government officials here present. Professor Sans, Vice Chancellor of the University of Malawi. Dr. Christopher Buta, Council Chairperson, and all the members of the Council and Senate of the University of Malawi, and all the chairpersons of the public universities here present. Mr. Martin Matulu, University Registrar, University Executive Deans, professors, heads of department, members of the academic and non-academic staff of the University of Malawi here present. All the chancellors, principals, and registrars of all the public universities. Your Majesty, Wenyama Inkosi Makosi Goman V, and all the traditional leaders here present. Council Anthony Gonani, Deputy Mayor of the city of Zomba, and all the councillors here present. I notice is Mayor Blanter as well. All the members of the Mozambique delegation here present, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we gather to recognize an extraordinary leader, a champion and a beacon of hope for humanity. It is my distinct privilege to award the Honoris Causa, the highest honor our university can bestow upon a head of state, to my esteemed counterpart, His Excellency, Filipe Jacinto Nyusi. As far as I can recall, Your Excellency, in the 59 years this university has been in existence, this is the third Honoris Causa award to be given, which is a testament to this university's respect for standards in only awarding those who have truly distinguished themselves by their achievements. But beyond the personal achievements this award recognizes, this award is also a celebration. It is a celebration of the new chapter in cordial relations between Malawi and Mozambique, to which President Nyusi's leadership has been most instrumental. As such, in giving him this recognition, we acknowledge that the journey towards deeper cooperation, mutual understanding, and collective prosperity that Malawi and Mozambique have enjoyed in the past 4 years is a huge milestone. Even though our countries have shared a common border, culture, and geography, and for that I am proud to call him Malawi's finest friend. Your Excellency, you have dedicated your leadership to fostering dialogue, understanding, and peace among all nations. But none has benefited from this more than this, our Republic of Malawi. Your unwavering commitment to democracy, human rights, and the rule of law has inspired countless individuals around the region and beyond. But none has been as impacted by this more than this, our Republic of Malawi. Through your tireless efforts, you have fostered peace, stability, and prosperity in your nation and ours. And so it is only fitting that we here in Malawi award you this honoris causa, recognizing not only your remarkable achievements, but also your unwavering dedication to the principles that unite us all. So, Your Excellency, please accept this award as a symbol of our deepest admiration, respect, and affection. Congratulations, Your Excellency. May God bless the countries and peoples of Malawi and Mozambique. Muito obrigado.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, I present the following candidate for the award of the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in International Affairs and Diplomacy, honoris causa.
By virtue of the authority vested in my office, I award this candidate the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in International Affairs and Diplomacy, honoris causa.
Filipe Jacinto Nyusi was born on 9 February 1959 in Muenda District, Cabo Delgado Province, Mozambique, to Jacinto Nyusi Chimela and Angelina Damia, both deceased. He is married to Madame Isaura Ferrao Nyusi and has 4 children. On 15th January 2015, he became the 4th President of the Republic of Mozambique, following his election in October 2014, and after serving between 2008 and 2024 as the country's Minister of National Defense. In 1990, he obtained a master's degree with distinction in mechanical engineering from the Vaz Brno Military Academy in Czech Republic. His academic and professional background has seen him being awarded postgraduate qualifications in management by Victoria University in Manchester, United Kingdom in 1999, and by the Indian Institute of Management in 2003. From 2015 to 2016, he chaired the Southern African Development Community, SADC, organ of politics, defense and security cooperation, playing an active role in preserving peace and stability in the region in the face of then Lesotho's political challenges. In September 2016, in recognition of his leadership role in environmental issues, he received an award of merit in Conservation Award from the International Conservation Caucus Foundation in the United States of America. In February 2018, in recognition of his relentless efforts for effective and lasting peace in Mozambique, President Filipe Nyusi was awarded a doctorate honoris causa degree in international relations by the Geneva School of Diplomacy and International Relations in Switzerland. As chair of SADC from August 2020 to 2021, amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, he helped the organization in handling the pandemic, promoted the smooth movement of goods in the region, while at the same time playing an active role in garnering support in the fight against terrorism and violent extremism. He also worked hard in mobilizing the private sector to playing major roles in regional economic integration by hosting the first ever SADC Business Forum. Under the chairmanship of President Nyusi, Mozambique was chosen by SADC to host its Humanitarian and Emergency Operations Center, and more recently to host the Regional Fisheries Monitoring, Control and Surveillance Center. In 1922, he was appointed by African Union heads of states and government as their champion for disaster risk management in the continent. In recognition of his leadership on disaster risk management at the continental level, President Nyusi is an active and as well as important contributor to the AU's Silencing the Guns initiative. In the same year, on 16th September, President Nyusi was awarded a doctorate honoris causa degree in biodiversity conservation and climate change by the Eduardo Mondiale University. Bilaterally, President Nyusi leveraged bilateral relations with Malawi with bold initiatives in the areas of transport and communication, energy, social and cultural exchanges, paving the way for a much fuller integration of the two economies. Under his leadership, with a focus on cooperation with member states in SADC, AU, Portuguese-speaking countries, the UN and other bodies, Mozambique improved its reputation, regained trust from international financial institutions, as well as the IMF and World Bank, and hosted 79 heads of states and government, and opened new diplomatic missions, including one at the Holy See. Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, I present to you Filipe Jacinto Nyusi for Doctor of Philosophy in International Affairs and Diplomacy, honoris causa.
Your Excellency, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, President of the Republic of Malawi, Your Excellency, Madam Monica Chakwera, First Lady of the Republic of Malawi, Your Excellency, Dr. Filipe Jacinto Nyusi, President of the Republic of Mozambique. Ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. At this point, we would like to play for you a documentary that we have prepared as the University of Malawi, celebrating the relations between our country and the Republic of Mozambique. After the documentary, we shall have a symbolic presentation of a gift that we have prepared for His Excellency, Dr. Filipe Jacinto Nyusi, President of the Republic of Mozambique.